If you are a candle lover, you probably know Diptyque. If you love niche fragrances, you probably also know Diptyque. Me personally is not a fragrance expert. And to be honest, I don't burn candle that often. Previously, I find whenever I'm burning a candle in the house, I only smell the burning scent. I've always seen Diptyque everywhere on social media. A lot of people love niche fragrance, will love this brand. They have many great reviews, but they also have a very high price tag. So this year, during Black Friday, Hot Run Fruit is offering 10 to 15% off on their fragrances, home scents, or potentially in beauty as well. And Diptyque is also offering a gift with purchase, so I finally pulled the trigger. If you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Let's just get the biggest one out of the way, shall we? So, this one is a holiday set. It's a set of 12 scented candles. The holiday packaging this year is very pretty. Initially, I am very attracted by a Van calendar. That box is so pretty. Of course, when Black Friday rolls around, it's all sold out. Plus, I don't have much experience with the brand yet, so I'd rather get a variety pack like this. So it comes with a card, a description of all 12 scents in, I'm assuming, French, English, and Japanese. And the other side is just a brief description of how their candle works. For this set, it comes with 12 different scents. Each candle weighs about 35 grams. It is on the tinier side, but because my purpose is to figure out if I like the scents, how it works for me, I heard this size is perfectly for one singular room, so I'm gonna try it in my office area and see how it goes. I heard a lot of good things about different scents. I know base is a lot of people's favorite. That one described as berries, the tangy coolness of blackcurrant berries blending with the flower accent of rose. That sounds very beautiful. I can totally pick up the blackcurrant. And the fun part is like whenever I'm pulling it away from my nose, then I smell like a very subtle hint of rose. It is beautiful. I can see why people loving this one. One of Michelle Wang's favorite is one of my friend's favorite. Actually, he was the one like hardcore recommending this brand, and it's part of the reason why I pulled the trigger. It is the Food Boy. Also, if I butcher any names, my apology. I know nothing about French. I really should try to get into it, at least enough to understand product names. Oh, so in English, it's just wood fire. Wood fire, the dense, smoky scent of logs crackling in the hearth. It's pretty true to the description. I can totally smell the smokiness. It is a very cozy scent. I'm not sure how the smokiness is gonna pull when it actually burns. I don't want the room to smell smoky, but a lot of people describe it as a very cozy winter scent. Me personally really like By the Fireplace from Replica, Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. If this is like a similar scent to those, then I will definitely enjoy it. Another one caught my eyes is the Noisetier. Why did I pick this one? Anyway, I love this card. It has the English name for it. Pretty much, it's the hazelnut tree. Hazelnut tree, the freshness of the green leaves and the delicately crunchy pearline notes of hazelnuts on the cusps of the ripening. It's a very interesting scent because I definitely smell the branches, like the greenness to it, but when it comes to the nuttiness, it almost gives the scent sweetness to it, which is very unique to me. Kind of want to try it out to see how it burns, because sometimes I find when it warms up, it's harder to show the freshness and the sweetness. I don't want it to go like overwhelmingly warm, but so far, I really like this one. I'm not going through all 12 different scents. I can't wait to try them out. When I'm having enough experience with home scents, I will make a separate video. So far, I'm always liking diffusers. I don't know why I didn't grab a diffuser from Diptyque this year, but because every single one is raving about their candles, their fragrances, I just wasn't thinking, I guess. Next, I have the palette of Eau de Parfum. I believe it is a set of 5 travel sizes. It's kind of strange where this one has the plastic seal, but the candle doesn't. Should I be worried? So it comes with this very sleek black box. The card. This one actually have Chinese on it. Cool. Tissue paper. Ta-da! The mixture of them smells so pretty. So it comes with Fleur de Peau, Doucin Eau Capitale, or Peon, and Eau Rose. I know Doucin is a very popular scent. It also comes with a dust bag, which is super cute. I'm assuming it's on the go to protect your travel size. So for this set, we have 5 of the travel sizes. I'm very glad that all bottles are spray bottles. Me personally prefer spray bottles more, and from what I heard is that when the roller is rolling on the skin, sometimes your natural greasiness from the skin or sometimes the dead skins can follow the roller and roll back into the fragrance. So some people say once you own a roller or you're constantly using a roller for a while and then you start seeing the rollers changing colors, or at the bottom of the roller bottle you start seeing little particles, that's your dead skins. I'm not sure how true it is, but it kind of gets me, and I do find the spray works slightly better on how even it applies onto the skin, but it's just me. It's like personal preference. And I know like traditionally long time ago, all the bottles supposed to be just like a dabbing on the key spots. Like I said, I'm not an expert. So for this set, it's 5 travel sizes of 7.5 ml. It's a pretty decent size and pretty standard. The card inside is more of like a message from Diptyque about how creating fragrance is a form of art, a journey, and how scents can bring different experience to people. And this time it comes with a lot more different languages than the candle set. This time, all descriptions of all 5 fragrances is on the back of the box. Doucin described as a floral scent where it has tuberose, orange blossom, jasmine, and amberwood. It's kind of funny, I never realized I'm a huge fan of tuberose till I received a Chanel Gabrielle. So for both the Gabrielle and the Gabrielle essence have a pretty high concentration of tuberose. It's just the essence is even stronger. I enjoy that scent quite a lot, and ever since I find anything with tuberose, I'm kind of enjoying them. I think one of the My Way has tuberose in it too. For this Doucin, it's definitely a fresher scent. Even though it's floral, it's not overwhelmingly powdery. To my pleasant surprise, all 5 of them are Eau de Parfum. I guess it makes sense that it's a palette of Eau de Parfum. But when I reached out to the sales associate, I only know it's a set of 5 travel sizes of their bestsellers. I didn't look into the concentration. Besides the tuberose, typically I'm not a huge fan of anything ambery, but lately I find there are a lot of different variants of amber related scents. So for this one, even though I see amber wood on the list, I don't find it's like too heavy. It has a very light hint of sourness at the end. I'm not sure if that's the amberwood, but I guess I can only tell after I start wearing them. The other one kind of interests me is the Eau Capitale. Just by sniffing the bottle of all 5 of them, every single scent is very well balanced. Doesn't matter if it's a lighter scent or a warmer scent. Typically when I see woodsy scent, I would imagine it's a warmer wintry scent, but this one is fairly fresh. So I find they're all very unique and eye-opening. Let me try them out on the body and I'll get back to you. This is my very first purchase from Diptyque. So yes, without even smelling it, I decided to go with a body mist of the scent Doucin. Not gonna lie, I was slightly worried about what if I don't like the scent. but I don't know how to explain it. People loving it for a reason, right? For a body mist, it's definitely easier to keep my body hydrated, and in general I'm just a huge fan of different type of mist. Their packaging is really on point. I know typically body mist from a fragrance brand or a fragrance line typically is just to prolong the scent of the fragrance, but typically they will have some sort of hydrating factor in it, so it's always a plus. I'm not gonna try it on the back of my hand for now because it's midnight. Next, I have a rinse-free hand wash. This one kind of intrigued me because rinse-free but it cleans the hand. I find it just like a hand sanitizer. It says cleansing, moisturizing, gentle, enriched with white saponaria and sweet almond oil. This gel cleans, moisturizes, and delicately fragrances the hand to be used without water. It sounds like a hand sanitizer, but I guess it smells nice. It is a very unique scent because it definitely has a little alcohol-y scent vibe to it, but if it's a hand sanitizer, I'm not surprised. It has a little like floral and almost a little pepper scent to it, but overall it's a very fresh, pleasant scent. And if a hand sanitizer could be also not drying on the hand, it's always a plus. Texture-wise, it feels like a lotion. It's just at the very end when it's about to dry or absorb, you can feel the hand sanitizer like a gel evaporating type of sensation. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but so far just by trying it on the back of my hand, feels pretty nice. Also, because of the purchase, I got some gift with purchases. I got a Dusan shower oil, a hair and body oil, a Dusan eau de toilette. I know eau de toilette is not as concentrated as eau de parfum, but the gift is 10 ml and my actual product is 7.5. Not gonna lie, this is very deceiving. Like, can you tell this is 10 ml and this is 7.5? Like, what? Anyway, I'm not complaining. Free stuff is always nice. Another mini fragrance to try out is the Eau Plurial. It's also a very floral scent. And then I got another mini tuberose. So this is a 35-gram size as well, so it's the same size as the one I got from the 12-pack. Sometimes it's kind of confusing when you get gift with purchases that's the same size as the set you're getting. Of course, the set you're getting is much more variety, but it just feels like it's a pack of gift with purchase. That's another reason why I rarely have the urgent to get a van calendar, because typically a van calendar is for you to try things out, to explore the brand, and that just feels like it's a giant pack of gift with purchases. Just saying. Hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried Diptyque before? Which one is your favorite? If you missed my fragrance haul, I will link it over here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and then we'll see you in that video. Bye!